Happy morning students, video class for 10th standard. Last video we see exercise 5.3. Today we are going to see exercise 5.3 continuation. Find the value of A if the line through minus 2, 3 and 8, 5 is perpendicular to y is equal to ax plus 2. So slope of the line joining the 2 points minus 2, 3, 8, 5 is the formula for finding the slope. A 2-point formula is m1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. You just substitute the values of x1 y1 and x2 y2 in the formula. So the value of x1 is minus 2 and y1 is 3. The value of x2 is 8, y2 is 5. Which is equal to 5 minus 3 divided by 8 minus of minus 2, which is nothing but 5 minus 3 is 2, 8 minus of minus is plus 2 is 10. If you cancel out, you get the value m1 is equal to 1 by 5. Therefore, the slope of the line y is equal to ax plus 2 is given in the question. You just compare with this with the equation y is equal to mx plus c. We get m2 is equal to a. Since the two lines are perpendicular, then the two slopes m1 cross m2 is equal to minus 1. That is, your slope m1 is equal to 1 by 5 cross m2 is a, which is equal to minus 1. Therefore, a is equal to minus 5. Then question number 6. The hill in the form of a right triangle has its foot at 19, 3. The inclination of the hill to the ground is 45 degree. Find the equation of the hill joining the foot and top. So this is the hill. We are just considering a right angle triangle in the hill. We just mark the vertices of the top as A and B and C respectively. C is the foot of the mountain or the hill. Then angle C is 45 degree and the foot coordinate is 19, 3. So to find the equation of the hill AC joining the foot and top. Therefore, slope of the line AC is equal to, that is theta value is 45 degree. M is equal to tan theta. We know because for finding the angle of inclination, we are using m is equal to tan theta. So m is equal to tan 45 degree. That is nothing but m is 1. Therefore, the equation of AC whose slope 1 and passing through C 19, 3 is, you have one slope and 1 point. So the formula is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So substitute the values in the formula. You get y minus y1 value is 3, that is not y1 value is 3, which is equal to m is 1 into x minus x1 value is 19, which is implies y minus 3 is equal to x minus 19, x minus 19 minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. We are taking y minus 3 to right hand side, so plus y becomes minus y and minus 3 will become plus 3. Therefore, the simplified equation x minus y minus 16, because minus 19 plus 3 is minus 16 is equal to 0. Problem number 7. Find the equation of a line through the given pair of points. First subdivision is 2, 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2, minus 2. And second subdivision is 2, 3 and minus 7, minus 1. So given points are 2, 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2, minus 2. So this is your x1, y1 and x2, y2. You are going to find the slope of the line passing through the 2 points. That is 2-point formula is y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1, which is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. So apply the values in the formula. You get y minus 2 by 3 divided by minus 2 by 3, which is equal to x minus x1 value is 2 divided by x2 is minus 1 by 2 minus 2. The next step is you have to do cross multiplication. So 3y minus 2 divided by 3, the whole thing divided by cross multiplication in the denominator. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 minus 2 by 3, which is equal to x minus 2 divided by minus 1 minus 4 by 2. Then 3 gets cancelled. The simplified equation is 3y minus 2 divided by minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8, which is equal to x minus 2 divided by minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5 by 2. Therefore, the next step is you just cancel the negative sign and we are taking 2 to the numerator. Then here next we are going to do the cross multiplication. So 5 into 3y and 5 into minus 2, then 8 into 2, 8 into x minus 2. So 15y minus 10 is equal to 16. 8 is 16 into x minus 2, which is implies 15y minus 10 is equal to 16x minus 32. So we are taking 15y minus 10 to right hand side. So 16x minus 32 minus 15y plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of the line is 16x minus 15y minus 22 is equal to 0. Then second subdivision 2, 3 and minus 7, minus 1. So given points are 2, 3 and minus 7, minus 1. Equation of the line passing through the 2 points y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we know the points of x1, y1 and x2, y2. Substitute the points in the formula. We get y minus y1 value is 3 divided by y2 value is minus 1 minus 3, which is equal to x minus x1 value is 2 divided by x2 value is minus 7 minus 2, which is implies y minus 3 divided by minus 4, which is equal to x minus 2 divided by minus 9. Next step is we are going to do a cross multiplication. So minus 9 into y is minus 9y, minus into minus plus 9 3s are 27, which is equal to minus 4 into x and minus 4 into minus 2. So which is equal to minus 4x plus 8, which is implies minus 9y plus 27 plus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of the straight line is 4x minus 9y plus 27 minus 8 is plus 19. So, the equation is 4x minus 9y plus 19 is equal to 0. Then equation number 8. A cat is located at the point minus 6, minus 4 in xy plane. A bottle of milk is kept at 5, 11. The cat wished to consume the milk traveling through shortest possible distance. Find the equation of the path it needs to take its milk. We are taking a graph x and y axis. The cat is located at the point minus 6, minus 4. And the milk is in the xy plane. That coordinate is 5, 11. Just draw one line to the cat with the milk. You have to find the equation of the line. So equation of the shortest distance between minus 6, minus 4 and 5, 11. We know the points x1, y1 and x2, y2. The formula is y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1, which is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Substitute the values in the formula. Y minus y1 is minus 4, so minus into minus plus 4 divided by y2 value is 11 minus y1 value is minus 4, so minus of minus plus, which is equal to x minus x1 value is minus 6, so minus of minus plus 6 divided by x2 value is 5 minus of minus plus 6, which is equal to y plus 4 divided by 11 plus 4 is 15, which is equal to x plus 6 divided by 5 plus 6 is 11. The next step is cross multiplication. So 11 into y plus 4, so 11y plus 44, which is equal to 15 into x plus 6, which is equal to 15x plus 15 into 6 is 90. So 15x plus 90 minus 11y minus 44 is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of the path to reach the milk is 15x minus 11y minus 46 is equal to 0. Problem number 9. Find the equation of the median and altitude of the triangle ABC through A, where the vertices are A of 6, 2, B of minus 5, minus 1 and C of 1, 9. So, median is a straight line joining a vertex and the midpoint of the opposite sides. The vertices of the triangles are given. So, vertices of a triangle ABC are A of 6, 2, B of minus 5, minus 1 and C of 1, 9. Let us take one triangle and mark the vertices A 6, 2 and B minus 5, minus 1 and C is 1, 9. So you just draw one line from the vertex A to the midpoint of BC. So D is the midpoint of B minus 5, minus 1 and C of 1, 9. So you just know minus 5 is your x1, minus 1 is your y1 and 1 is your x2 value, 9 is your y2 value. You are going to find the midpoint. So using the midpoint formula, D is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Substitute the values in the formula. Value of x1 is minus 5 plus 1 divided by 2, minus 1 plus 9 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 4 by 2, 8 divided by 2. After simplification, you get minus 4 by 2 is minus 2 and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So D coordinate is minus 2, 4. So now we find the coordinate of D. Now we are going to find the equation of median AD having the points A of 6, 2 and D of minus 2, 4. So you just mark the x1, y1 and x2, y2 values. We know the 2-point formula y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. So substitute the values in the formula. Y minus y1 value is 2 divided by y2 value is 4 minus 2, which is equal to x minus x1 value is 6 divided by x2 is minus 2 minus 6, which is equal to y minus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to x minus 6 divided by minus 8, which is implies now we cancel out 2 and minus 8, you get minus 4. Then you are going to do the cross multiplication. So y minus 2 divided by 1 is equal to x minus 6 by minus 4, which is equal to minus 4y plus 8 is equal to x minus 6, which is implies x minus 6 plus 4y minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation is x plus 4y minus 14 is equal to 0. Next, we are going to find equation of altitude AE. So, equation of altitude, we know the vertices A is 6, 2 and B is minus 5, minus 1 and C is 1, 9. So, now draw one line from the vertex A Mark the point as E. So AE is the altitude of the triangle. So B of minus 5 comma minus 1 and C of 1 comma 9. We are going to find the slope. So slope of BC is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So substitute the values in the formula. You get 9 minus y1 value is minus 1. So minus into minus plus divided by x2 is 1 minus x1 value is minus 5. So minus into minus plus, which is equal to 10 divided by 6. After simplification, you get the slope as 5 by 3. So therefore, the slope of BC is equal to 5 by 3. The slope of BC into slope of AD is equal to minus 1 because the two slopes are perpendicular. Slope of BC or otherwise the line AE is perpendicular to the line BC. So therefore, AD is perpendicular to BC or AE is perpendicular to BC. 5 by 3 into slope of A is equal to minus 1. Therefore, slope of AD is equal to minus 1 into 3 by 5. So slope of AD is equal to minus 3 by 5. Therefore, equation of the altitude AE having the point A of 6 comma 2 and slope m is equal to minus 3 comma 5. So equation of the altitude, if you are going to find the equation of the altitude, we have to find one slope and one point, then only we can apply the one slope and one point formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So now substitute the values in the formula. Y minus y1 value is 2, which is equal to minus 3 by 5 into x minus x1 value is 6. Then cross multiplication, 5y minus 10, which is equal to minus 3 into x minus 6. So 5y minus 10 is equal to minus 3x plus 18. So 3x minus 18 plus 5y minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of the altitude is 3x plus 5y minus 28 is equal to 0. Then problem number 10. Find the equation of the straight line which has slope minus 5 by 4 and passing through the point minus 1 comma 2. So equation of the straight line having slope m is minus 5 by 4 and passing through the point minus 1 comma 2 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So substitute the values in the formula. Y minus 2 is equal to minus 5 by 4 into x minus of x1 value is minus 1, which is equal to y minus 2 is equal to minus 5 by 4 into x plus 1. The next step is cross multiplication. So 4y minus 8 is equal to minus 5 into x plus 1. 4y minus 8 is equal to minus 5x minus 5. So if you are taking minus 5x minus 5 to your left hand side, 5x plus 5 plus 4y minus 8 is equal to 0, which is implies the equation of the straight line is 5x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. Problem number 11. You are downloading a song. The percentage y in decimal form of megabytes remaining to get downloaded in x seconds is given by y is equal to minus of 0.1x plus 1. First subdivision is graph of the equation. You have to draw the graph for the given equation. And second subdivision is find the total MB of the song. And third subdivision is after how many seconds will 75% of the songs gets downloaded. And fourth subdivision is after how many seconds the song will be downloaded completely. So given y is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1, which is your equation number 1, where x is equal to time in seconds and y is equal to remaining data to be downloaded. So you are going to draw on tabular column x and y. When x is equal to 0, When you are substituting x is equal to 0 in equation 1, you get the value of y is 1. Then if you are substituting x is equal to 2 in equation 1, you are getting the value of y is 0.8. Then x is equal to 4 means substitute value of 4 in equation 1, you get the value of y is 0.6. Next we are going to substitute the value of x is equal to 6 in equation 1, we get the value of y is 0.4. Then x is equal to 8 means you get the value of y is 0.2. Finally, if you substitute x is equal to 10 means in equation 1 you get the value of y is 0. So now you got the table. So first one, you are going to draw the graph of the equation. So you just plot the points, that is x-axis represent time in seconds 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and y-axis represents the remaining data 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 and 1. Next step is you have to plot the points 0, 1, 2, 0.8, 4, 0.6, 6, 0.4, 8, 0.2 and 10, 0. The first one is mark the point 0, 1. So 0, 1 is in the y-axis. So in x-axis you mark the points as 0 and y-axis is 1. Then next is you just mark the coordinates. Next we are going to plot the points 2, 0.8 and 2 in x-axis, 0.8 in y-axis. So you mark the point and mark the coordinates. Then the next point is 4, 0.6. So 4 is in x-axis and 0.6 is in y-axis. Next 6, 0.4. 6 is in x-axis, 0.4 is in y-axis. Then 8, 0.2. 8 is in x-axis, 0.2 in y-axis. Then finally 10, 0. 10 in x-axis and 0 in the midpoint of the graph. So you get the point on x-axis. 10, 0. So now you get the graph of the equation. Y is equal to minus 0.1 into x plus 1. Second subdivision, you have to find the total MB of the song. When x is equal to 0, that is x cannot be negative. So from equation 1, y is equal to minus 0.1 into x plus 1. So substitute the value of x is equal to 0. You get y is equal to minus 0.1 into 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1 at x is equal to 0. Therefore, total MB of the song is equal to 1 MB. Then third subdivision, after how many seconds will 75% of the songs get downloaded? So 25% of MB to be downloaded, but y is equal to 0.25 in equation 1. So from equation 1, y is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. So substitute the value of y is equal to 0.2 in equation 1. So 0.25 is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1, which is implies 0.1x is equal to minus 0.25 plus 1. 0.1x is equal to 0.75. So x is equal to 0.75 divided by 0.1, which is equal to 7.5 by 1. So therefore the value of x is equal to 7.5. The required time is 7.5 seconds to download the remaining 75% of the song. Then fourth subdivision, after how many seconds the song will be downloaded completely. Therefore, put y is equal to 0 in equation 1. You get equation 1 is equal to y is equal to minus 0.1 into x plus 1. Substitute the value of y is equal to 0, which is equal to 0.1 into x plus 1, which is implies minus 1 is equal to 0.1 into x. Therefore, x is equal to 1 divided by 0.1. X is equal to 10 by 1. Therefore, x is equal to 10. That is, songs will be downloaded completely after 10 seconds. Problem number 12. Find the equation of the straight line whose intercepts of the x and y axis are given below. So here they are given only the x-intercept and y-intercept. Using that, you can going to find the equation of the straight line using the intercept formula. Equation of the straight line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So let's move on to the first subdivision. First subdivision is 4 comma minus 6. So given that x-intercept is a is equal to 4 and y-intercept is b is equal to minus 6. The equation of the straight line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So substitute the values in the formula. X by 4 plus y by minus 6 is equal to 1, which is implies x by 4 minus y by 6 is equal to 1. Then you are going to take the LCM. So LCM for 4 and 6 is 12. So cross multiplication, 3x minus 2y divided by 12 is equal to 1. So 3x minus 2y is equal to 12, which is implies the equation of the straight line is 3x minus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Then second subdivision, minus 5 and 3 by 4. So given that the x-intercept is a is equal to minus 5 and y-intercept is b is equal to 3 by 4. So x by minus 5 plus y by 3 by 4 is equal to 1, which is implies minus x by 5 plus we are taking 4 to the numerator. So 4y by 3 is equal to 1. So minus 3x plus 20y is divided by 15 is equal to 1. We are taking LCM. 5 and 3 is 15. LCM for 5 and 3 is 15. So cross multiplication, minus 3x plus 20y divided by 15 is equal to 1. Then minus 3x plus 20y is equal to 15. Therefore, minus 3x plus 20y is equal to 15. The equation of the straight line is 3x minus 20y plus 15 is equal to 0. Problem number 13. Find the intercepts made by the following lines on the coordinate axis. So previous problem they give the intercepts, x and y intercepts. We are just formed the equation. Here they are given the equation. We are going to find the x and y intercept, that is a and b value. So first subdivision, 3x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. Given equation is 3x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. So we are taking constant to your right hand side. 3x minus 2y is equal to 6. Then dividing both sides by 6. 3x divided by 6 minus 2y by 6 is equal to 6 by 6. Because in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So we are going to change the right hand side will become 1. So we are throughout dividing by 6. So you get 3 and 6 will be cancelled and 6 is 2 times. Then 2 and 6 will be cancelled. 6 will become 3 times. And 6 gets cancelled means it will become 1 times. So x by 2 minus y by 3 is equal to 1. So x by 2 plus y divided by, we are taking the minus sign to the denominator. Minus 3 is equal to 1. Now it is in the form of intercept. So it is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So comparing with the intercept form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So x intercept is, that is a value is 2. Similarly, y-intercept is b is equal to minus 3. Second subdivision, 4x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. So, given equation is 4x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. 4x plus 3y is equal to minus 12. So dividing both sides by minus 12. 4x divided by minus 12 plus 3y divided by minus 12, which is equal to minus 12 by minus 12. After simplification, 4 divided by minus 12 is minus 3. 3 divided by minus 12 is minus 4. And minus 12 gets cancelled, means you get 1. So which is implies x divided by minus 3 plus y divided by minus 4 is equal to 1. Now it is in the form of intercept. So comparing with intercept form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. The x-intercept is a is equal to minus 3 and y-intercept b is equal to minus 4. Problem number 14. Find the equation of the straight line. First subdivision passing through 1, minus 4 and has intercept which are in the ratio 2:5. Second subdivision passing through minus 8, 4 and making equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. So first subdivision, you just write the question. Let x and y intercepts of the straight line be a and b, that is given in the ratio. So a is to b is equal to 2:5. Let a is equal to 2k and b is equal to 5k, because you know ratio means it is 2 times of the given number. So the equation of the straight line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So substitute the values in the formula. X by 2k plus y by 5k is equal to 1, which is equation number 1. Since the line passes through the point 1, minus 4. So substitute the x and y values in equation 1. 1 divided by 2k plus of minus 4 divided by 5k is equal to 1, which is implies 1 by 2k minus 4 by 5k is equal to 1. Then the next step is you have to do a cross multiplication, or we are taking the LCM. So 5 minus 8 divided by 10k is equal to 1. 5 minus 8 is minus 3 divided by 10k is equal to 1. So k is equal to minus 3 by 10. Substituting k is equal to minus 3 by 10 in equation 1, x by 2k plus y by 5k is equal to 1. So x by 2 into minus 3 by 10 plus y divided by 5 into minus 3 by 10 is equal to 1. So x by minus 3 by 5 plus y divided by minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1. Which is implies we are taking 5 to the numerator. So 5x minus 3 plus 2y by minus 3 is equal to 1. 5x plus 2y divided by minus 3, because denominator is same. Then the next step is 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3, which is implies the equation is 5x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the straight line. Then second subdivision is passing through minus 8, 4 and making equal intercept on the coordinate axis. So given that the intercept on the axis are equal, so here x-intercept is a and y-intercept is minus a. So therefore here b is equal to a. Equation of the line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, which is your equation number 1. Here making equal intercept means substituting b is also a. So therefore x by a plus y by a is equal to 1, which is implies x by a plus y by a is equal to 1, since it passes through the point minus 8, 4. So substitute the points in the formula. Minus 8 by a plus 4 by a is equal to 1. Minus 8 plus 4 by a is equal to 1. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4 by a is equal to 1. The value of a is equal to minus 4. So substitute a is equal to minus 4 in b is equal to a, you get b is equal to minus 4. So substitute a is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to minus 4 in equation 1, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. You get x by minus 4 plus y by minus 4 is equal to 1. So x plus y by minus 4 is equal to 1. Cross multiplication, x plus y is equal to minus 4. X plus y is plus 4 is equal to 0. We are taking minus 4 to left hand side. So this is the equation of the straight line. So up to this problem exercise will be over. In the next video we are going to see exercise 5.4. So thank you students. Have a nice day.